Hey, pancake lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up the fluffiest, tastiest pancakes right in your own kitchen. Let's turn you into a pancake pro in just minutes. First things first, the batter. You'll need flour, baking powder, a little sugar, milk, an egg, and some butter. That's it. No fancy ingredients here. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature to get the best results. Start by mixing your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This combination will give your pancakes that perfect rise. Next, let's tackle the wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat 1 egg with a cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. The butter not only adds flavor but also ensures your pancakes are deliciously tender. Now, pour the wet mix into the dry ingredients. Here's the secret: don't overmix. Stir until it's just combined. A few lumps? No problem. They actually help make your pancakes fluffier. Let's get cooking! Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and brush it with a little butter. This will give your pancakes that golden, buttery crust. When the pan is hot, ladle about a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Watch for bubbles on the surface and edges to look set, then flip. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remember, the first pancake is usually the test run, so don't worry if it's not perfect. Stack them high. Serve your pancakes with a pat of butter and a generous drizzle of maple syrup. Or get creative with toppings like fresh berries, whipped cream, or even chocolate chips. And there you have it! Perfect pancakes in minutes. Whether it's a lazy Sunday morning or a special breakfast, these pancakes are sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your pancake photos with us. Until next time, keep flipping those pancakes.